Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, speaking at the Rashtriya Ekta Divas celebrations in Kevadia, Gujarat, emphasized the importance of a one-nation civil code as a means to eliminate discrimination and promote secularism. He highlighted past initiatives like Aadhaar, GST and the One Nation, One Ration card as steps towards national unity. Modi announced ongoing efforts towards implementing One Nation, One Election to enhance democratic processes and optimize resource use, aiming to propel India towards becoming a developed nation.
वन इलेक्शन पर काम कर रहे हैं, जो भारत के लोकतंत्र को मजबूती देगा, जो भारत के संसाधनों का ऑप्टिमम आउटकम देगा और देश विकसित भारत के सपने को पार करने में और नई गति प्राप्त करेगा।